Welcome to Vortex. Today I will guide you on how to calibrate our farm product with your measurement data. First, go to the New Tab section in your Vortex Interface account and launch a new farm for your site of interest. Next, select the area, give your farm a name, and add it to your project. If you already have measurement data available, select Use Data to Calibrate, Yes. If not, simply choose Maybe Later, and you can calibrate the farm at any time in the future. Once everything is ready, click Submit. The simulation will start, and when it's finished, your results will become available automatically. Inside the Results section, you'll find a folder called Non-calibrated. From there, you can request layers for different variables and heights, generate reports, or export tab files for specific locations within the farm area. Now, if you want to create a calibration, click on New Calibration Setup. Add a short description, include any relevant comments, and then click on New Dataset to upload measurements for a new location. Keep in mind that calibrations can be created for multiple locations within the farm area, or even for the same location using different periods or heights. Each one is a separate dataset. Simply select the dataset you want and upload the corresponding measurement file. Once the calibration is complete, you can continue adding more calibration setups for additional locations or datasets. To download the final results, just open the corresponding folder and request the layers or reports you need. And that's it. If you'd like more detailed information or a personalized walkthrough, feel free to contact us. We'll be happy to guide you through the process. Thank you for watching this tutorial and trusting Vortex. See you next time.